My people, as we bid farewell to another incredible year, I find myself filled with gratitude for each and every one of you who has been a part of this amazing journey. Your support, encouragement, and engagement have made this year truly, truly special. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for being a part of my online community. Whether you've liked a post, shared a thought, or simply just been a silent supporter, your presence has made a difference and I appreciate it. This year has been filled with highs and low moments, but with God beside me, behind me, and before me, I have remained standing. Your comments, messages, and shared experiences have been a source of my inspiration and joy. As we step into a new year filled with endless possibilities, I look forward to continuing this journey, even though I make a fool of myself sometime with all of you. May the coming year bring you happiness, success, and fulfillment. Let's keep the positivity flowing and let's pray for a great 2024. Let's keep the conversations thriving and the connections growing. Thank you for being part of my community, for your kindness, and for watching me turn a fool of myself. Me thank you no. From the bottom of my heart, my people, here's to a great 2024.